Guys, here's an installment on EasyLift aerial platforms, another manufacturer's defect that you guys need to be aware of. I just opened the case here to check out the fuses. I couldn't get it to run. When I opened this up, look at the bottom. Bunch of nuts and bolts that actually hold in the entire casings for all the capacitors and such. So I don't know how I'm gonna fix this, but they have all this one right here looks like it broke off completely right there. That one came out, and it looks like this one broke off completely as well. So I guess I have to try to fix that. Just be aware that you don't want that to rattle and kick up against the other relays and fuses. Oh my God, here we go.